What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. Now, in my opinion, Samsung absolutely lied to us about this Galaxy Ring right here. This thing has been out less than a year, I believe, or maybe just about a year. This thing is a farce, baby. It is a farce. Does it do what it says it does? Yes, but I come across some interesting issues with this ring, and if you guys are having this issue, let me know. It's really two main issues, but this Galaxy Ring has a major problem. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button by the end of the video if you enjoy this content, and if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. It is the best way that I and YouTube knows you guys enjoy these type of videos. So just to give you guys context of what I'm talking about, as you can see right here, the ring is on 70%. I just put it back in here. It's fine. It's charging, but what does that mean? At least what happened? I put this ring, in this case, to charge last night. It was at 100%. I wake up, it's on 67 or 68%. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but when Samsung advertised this and showed this ring off, they said this ring on a single charge will last 7 days. Now, tell me why, now that I've had it since launch, and which hasn't been that long, this ring drops from 100% to about 70% in about 15 to 20 minutes. That's not what's supposed to happen. When I first got this ring, it worked how they said it would. I charge it to 100%. I would probably lose about 10 to 12% a day. And on that 7th day when I needed to charge again, the ring was about 15 to 20%. So it needed to be charged once it hits, like, I think the 15% threshold. It'll say, hey, it needs to be charged. But it actually lasted 7 days. Now, this ring does not even last 5 days. Usually on the 4th day now, I have to charge it because the ring is about to die. And a major reason for that, and I don't know what happened, when I charge this to 100%, it immediately drops to 70% that same day. That is not good. That's not supposed to do that. It doesn't make any sense. I'm not doing anything extra outside of what they advised that the ring could do. They said you can wear it when you're sweating, playing sports, or whatever the case is. You can shower with it. So if it's meant to do all that, there shouldn't be any internal like leaks that water got into this thing, or it shouldn't be getting faulty, because I'm only doing what you say to do with it. I'm working out with it and I'm showering with it. Now, I get batteries, they degrade over time, but this has been, I think, less than a year, or if not a year, because this just came out not too long ago, I believe last year this time. So yeah, it's probably been a year. This shouldn't be degrading this quick. Now, that is insane to me. If it's fine, it still functions as far as like monitoring my heart rate and stuff, or my sleep patterns when I'm asleep. It's just the battery is dying so freaking quick now, and it kind of defeats the purpose of this, of what they advertise it to be. Now, that's just one thing. The second thing is that when this ring first launched, all the gestures that they said you could do, like dismissing alarms and things like that, it didn't come with those gestures at first. You literally had to wait, I think, weeks, if not a month or so, for them to send the update for the ring to actually do what they advertised it to do. Now, the closest example I have of something that happened like that is AI that was supposed to be on the Galaxy, or not the Galaxy, the iPhone 16s when they launched. They advertised, oh, the iPhone 16 built with Apple Intelligence. Yeah, well, the problem was you launched the phone and months and months and months and months went by without customers being able to use that Apple Intelligence because it just wasn't ready. Now, why advertise that if that product or that feature is not ready and you have to wait until it's fully developed to finally send that out? Now you had a whole bunch of customers who believe, oh, I'm going to get this iPhone and it's going to have all this Apple Intelligence and these features I'm going to be able to use, just to find out when they buy it and when they get it, they can't use any of those features that you told them they would be able to use for that phone, and which was the main reason they probably bought the phone, which is very shady in my opinion as far as marketing. You cannot market a product and says, hey, this product is going to come with this feature, but when you get the product, it doesn't have that feature. It's like, oh, it's not ready yet. Like, what are you talking about? Now, I love this ring. It's a cool accessory. granted, it's just a ring at the end of the day. If you guys didn't see my review of this, check out the review. It doesn't have a screen on it or anything like that. It's just a ring. Okay, yeah, it does some monitoring of some vitals, but outside of that, you just wear it and operate as a ring. Most of the time, I don't even like go to the Galaxy wearable page to kind of interact with the ring stuff on here, because not really much to do. Like, you just make sure your gestures are on. This is all you can do. Dismiss an alarm and take a picture or video. That's it. It'll monitor your vitals and stuff like that, and track your sleeping. If you're very big into that, then yeah, get this ring. And that's pretty much why I got it. So I'm not complaining on what it does or what I got it for. It's just, at first, the gesture features weren't on there, which was one of the main reasons I got it. And also to play sports and not have to wear this bulky watch all the time. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm just saying, if you're having this issue, just know you're not alone. No matter what, even if it takes longer than 15 to 20 minutes to get from 100 to 70, the thing is, it's all within one day. That is insane. That makes no sense to me. So yeah, Samsung, please fix that on the next one. For something to degrade that quickly, it makes no sense to me. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I really appreciate it. Again, this is just a short and quick video. You know how I keep it short and sweet. Get you guys from point A to point B as quick as possible without wasting you guys' time. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.